In this video, I will show you how to make WhatsApp your default messaging app on your iPhone. First things first, grab your iPhone and locate the Settings app. Once inside the Settings app, scroll all the way down until you reach the very bottom of the list. Tap on Apps. In this menu, look for an option that says Default Apps. Tap on that as well. You will now see several categories where you can set defaults. Find and select Messaging. This brings up a list of available messaging apps installed on your device. From here, simply choose WhatsApp by tapping it. And just like that, WhatsApp is now set as your default messaging app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.